Yeah, man. We outside. Everything's getting top ends today, bro. Except for that. That's that one kick prick over there. I didn't even recording. Damn. Bro,
Just zip tie the bitch.
conclusion. Snap the whole John, son. No rubber thing right there, bro. Look at my roof. Damn.
I feel like a dead man walking up to the sun. I'm forever facing my defeat, I never run. You got to be a man to face me, I ain't scared of guns. You got to be a woman for me to give you my son. Damn, I can't even breathe. Got me looking up to God, I'm pleading on my knees. It's crazy how I had a kid like Stevie, I can't see. It's pain inside my chest, mom, I need you, I can't breathe. Let it out, I need to grieve. Let it out, it's on my sleeve. Damn. Okay. Every night it's a new bitch. Every night it's a new dog that turning switch. Every night I hurt myself, I'm trying to fix it. Trying to exercise the shit that I've been given, I've been gifted. Trying to make ends meet, I've been fighting all my traumas. Dealing with a bitch toxic as hell.
Look at Wayne over here doing top ends, bro. Get at me for the rebuild. I'm charging $87,000, bro, to take off one bolt, bro. 87 bands, bro. That's the cheapest I could go. I'm trying to be realistic with y'all.
Good work ain't cheap.
Yeah, good work ethic. I'm gonna get it done in like 10 weeks.
Like my granddaddy, big old P inside a caddy. Tell a bitch that she can slide if she can't whip, then drop the addy. If I'm looking like a lick, then line it up, boy, we can hit. Give a fuck about this bitch, I get you smacked, I'm gripping tits. And it's crazy, only ones that hate me looking just like this. Look in the mirror and get pissed. Damn, I ain't never been on street nigga, the one that's gon' compete. But if it's business, I'm on feet. Damn, I want some sand between my toes. I wanna fly to the Maldives while she back home playing with Rose. Damn, I'm way too honest for this shit. Like I ain't let them get a hit. The diamonds flawless than a bitch. And I ain't got it, that's the truth. But give me time, I bet it hit. Give me time, I bet them diamonds shine like my past don't exist. Give it time, I bet that bitch spin back, want me to touch her clit. I be hearing that little shit, my clone be making that shit piss. I done gave away way too much sauce for y'all to still be shit. I done gave away way too much swag to say I don't exist. Like what the fuck a nigga mean? Like that shit a nigga say don't make him lean. This shit codeine. Like it ain't shit about me, little. I put dick all in her spleen. Make her cream, cash ruling everything. But in my mind, a holy scene. Still asking.
Damn. All right, man. We over here in the middle of over here in the boners. You know what I'm saying? The gang already done left it. I ain't never been okay. That's the way to start it, huh? Oh. Hey, I thought I was just, I just said I can't get my shoes dirty, gang. They can take me straight to the mud. I was not ready to ride. I ain't gonna lie, Zach, leaving there. This BJ didn't set us up, bro. Oh, you nigga trap. Boy, drop that nasty. Speed bump. Now we doing stupid shit. Oh my God. Watch out, bro. This be trying to burn me on every chance he get. Look at that boy BJ, man. Okay then, gang. That boy busting turns and shit. On that 350. Yeah, get out there. Look at that boy Michael. Get right. Yeah. That boy hit that tire crispy too now. Yeah. Pop that shit. Got that thing back, nasty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, now we in the fucking trails. Hold up. Oh shit. They got us in the trails that don't get touched, bro. With all them leaves and shit, man. That be, oh my God, that be slippery. Oh, these fire though. Hold up. When we get back, I'm gonna finish the 85 so Kaden can get back outside with me. You know what I'm saying? And then we gonna have 2 POVs. This one different. Okay, these shit fire. Hello. We up in that bit, ain't it? Okay. They having dummy sticks to smack you in your shit for sure. Hold up, I'm not doing that. Bro, I should just put the forces on. Oh. Oh my God! Oh! Wait, we finna drive right now? Oh shit, the hill climb! Bro, these niggas is up here eating tree branches and shit, bro. Like, them just hurt, bro. Y'all niggas tripping. Well, you got me going through full-blown creeks, fam. Oh, about to run straight into a tree. Hit that hill climber. That boy Zach getting out that bit. Oh, shit. Hey, yo, that shit steep as hell, bro. Hold on, I'm about to get that though. Straight into a tree. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I'm finna drop this motherfucker. I can already feel it. Look at the trees, bro. How I'm gonna get back? Hold up. Oh. Oh, shit. Stop playing. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh.